Good students, today I am going to teach you about properties of division of rational number, which is very important concept. You clear watch, a clear look here. Okay. After this, here properties of divisions of rational numbers are following properties of rational number. Here we can write there are following properties of rational numbers. In division of rational number, in division or properties of division of rational numbers. Okay. Following properties, in which closure law and some identity law, these types of the properties or law. Here closure law or property or rule. Closure rule in division of rational number. Here, if A by B and C by D are rational numbers, then A by B divides C by D, where C by D not equal to 0. The value of C by D never 0. Then A by B divides C by D is also a rational number. Here, as example, if here 2 by 3 divide 7 by 3, okay, 2 by 3 rational number divide of 7 by 3 rational number, then we get here 2 by 3 here during the multiple sign change. Then we get here 3 by 7. Hence division sign change, then this is fixed, but this front division sign, then division sign change, then this denominator take place of numerator and numerator take place of a denominator. In this case we write here 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 7, we get here, look here, 3 cancel 3, we get here 2 by 7 is a rational number. Okay, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, in this case closure law follow in division of rational number. Okay, student, and here second properties of second in the case of division rational number. properties of one. Property of one in division rational of number. Okay, student, look here. Here, if a by b is a rational number, then a by b divide 1, then we get a by b. There is no difference. If any number or rational number divide by 1, then there is no difference. We get a same value. Okay, look here. As example, 2 by 3 divide 1 is equal to 2 by 3 is a rational number. Then 1 is the identity. Rule follow in the division of rational number. Okay, then these types of questions you can solve on this basis. It show the identity rule follow in the division of rational number, because 1 is a identity. Any number divides of 1, we get a same value. Here 0 divide 1, we get a 0. Okay, same value find here. Okay, then after this, third properties. Properties third. Property third. Property of a non-zero rational number a by b, then a by divide, if any rational number divides same rational number, then we get the value of 1. Here, look here, a by b sign change, then denominator numerator change here, b by a. Okay, here b cancel b, a cancel a, is equal to 1, belonging to any. If 1 here, 1 is the rational number. Okay, 1 is integer, but all integer are rational number. Here 4 by 5, example, 4 by 5 divide 4 by 5. Okay, here we get 4 upon 5 multiply 5 by 4. We get here 1. Is a rational number. If a by b is not 0, if a by b is not 0, integer in which a and b are integer, a by b are not 0, then we divide same rational number by same rational number, we get the value of 1. Okay? But the value of a by b should never be 0. A by b is not a. We can write here also a by b not equal to 0. Okay, then same number divide of same rational number, we get the value of 1 always. After this, I give you some important question which is related to competition. Okay, then almostly asked in the competition. Here some important question. Important questions. As here 40 to 41 divide 2. Okay, here, or we can write in rational form 41 divided by 2. In this case, divide 41 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Here can see 1 take right here, and here 1 is not a remainder, but here 1 is a number. Then which is 1 is less than divisor 2. Then how many times of tables of 2 read? Then we get 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 is greater than 1, which is not suitable for this solution. After this, we read table of 2 0 time. 2 0 ja 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Here 1 is remainder form. Then finish remainder, we write here decimal. Take decimal and write here. After this 1 0 increase after 1. Then 2 5 ja 10. 5 times. Read table of 2, we get 10. Thus, this is the answer. This is the answer. 20.5 is the answer. Okay, then here these types of questions you can solve on this basis. And next, here 3 divide 12 into 2. Here, look here, which is very important. 3 4 ja 12. Here is no remainder is found. Then 2 write here. Number 2 write here. After this, there is no any digit. Then 2 write here, and 2 is less than 3. Then 3 read table of 0 time. 3 0 ja 0. Here write 2. Okay. After this 2 finish. Here 2 is a remainder and 40 is a quotient, and 3 divisor and 122 is the dividend. Okay. Here, after we want to finish off 2. In this case, we write here decimal and increase 0 here after 2. 3 6 ja 18 and here. Okay. After this, here 0 is 3 6 ja 18. Okay. Never terminate. Then we get here 122 divide 3 is equal to 40.66, which is answer. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. And here if 12 divide by 3, in this case here 1212, 3 6 ja 3 4 ja, look here 3 4 ja 12. Here no remainder is found. and here write 1, okay, but after this 2 digit is also found. Then to write here, then here write here 0, after this 2 write here. When we write here double number, then here write 0, after we write here double number. Okay? Here 3 4 ja 12. Okay? After this here 24. 4 9 ja 36. And here write 2. Then after this 4 digit. Then here write 0 and write here 24. When we take double number, then here write 0, after this write here 24. Okay? 4 4 ja 4 6 ja 24. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve here. Okay, here if 61 divided 2, here 61, 2 3 ja 6, and here write 1. After this there is no digit. Then write here 1 which is less than 2. Then write table of 0 time. 0 time. 2 0 ja 0. Okay. After this 1 we want to 1 finish. Here 1 is remainder. The remainder finish. Then here write a decimal and here increase 0. Then 2 5 ja 10. Okay, student. These types of questions you can solve on this basis, division of a rational number form. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. And here, if you want to check, here 4 0 4 into 3, we get here 12 12, and here check 30.5 into 2. 2 5 ja 10, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 3 ja 6. Here point is one's place. Here 0. Point right here, one place, we get the value of 61. Okay, 61 found here. Then this is the correct. Okay, then we check by this rule. These types of questions you can solve on this basis. These are very important and very important, which is almostly asked in a competition. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.